changing lives. Immense broken hearts. He can give you a new destiny. Listen, let me give you a picture of the future. We are just getting started. We'll shape this nation for the gospel. Listen, the stadiums, some of them you think probably they were built for football or for entertainment. I have news for you. They were built for us. They were built for the gospel. Would you lift those hands towards heaven? For many of you connected online, I've already told you there's no distance in the realm of the Spirit. The power of God is right there where you are. The presence of God is right there where you are. Jesus said something. He says, "Tarry in Jerusalem, where you shall be endued with power from on high." For many of you, as you leave this place, you go in the power